Hey everyone, welcome back to Ann Talks, your destination for self-improvement. As you can tell, today's video is about mindfulness. So before we dive right into the video, I want you to picture this. You're fully immersed in the present moment, feeling the gentle rhythm of your breath, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and the soft whispers of the wind. That is the essence of mindfulness. But why should you care about mindfulness? Now, mindfulness is not just some trendy buzzword. Renowned researchers like Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn, the founder of the mindfulness-based stress reduction program, and Dr. Ellen Langer, who is a pioneer in the field of mindfulness research, has shown through extensive studies that mindfulness is a game changer. Because it reduces your stress levels, enhances your focus, and not only that, it just boosts your overall well-being. And guess what? You don't need any special equipment or a guru or something. All you need is a willingness to embrace the present moment with open arms. Alright, let's get right into the video and I will show you the transformative tips to help you kickstart your journey. Tip number 1, I want you to embrace the pause. In today's fast-paced world, it's so easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life. And that's understandable. But I want you to take a moment and simply hit pause, breathe, and center yourself in the present moment. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, I just want you to hit pause and I just want you to breathe. That is important. So speaking of pause, I want you to pause this video and like this video down below. And not only that, I want you to check out our website where we give templates and guides on self-improvement. So if you're interested in that, everything is down below. Tip number 2, I want you to practice gratitude daily. It's so easy to get caught up in the negativity in today's fast-paced world, but remember, if you embrace an attitude of gratitude, it can change your perspective in profound ways. Now, I want you to practice gratitude daily, and how do we do that? I want you to be grateful of the most simple things in life, whether it's a hug from a loved one or a cup of tea that you've had today. Simple things, they matter. So don't look at your life in some grand spectacle like, oh, I got a promotion today. No. Enjoy the little things. Like for me today, I got a coffee from 9 Board and Coffee, and it's an amazing coffee that I've got today. It's a cafe latte, and this is one of the things that I am grateful for today. So I'm literally telling you that even the simplest things can change your life. Tip number 3. I want you to turn daily activities into mindfulness activities. Who says mindfulness has to be complicated? No one. So how do we do that? Now, you can change this perspective by just enjoying or appreciating the simple things in life. Whether it's savoring the flavor of your favorite coffee, or immersing yourself in a warm shower, or just simply enjoying the sunset, find joy in the most littlest thing, the littlest activities that you do. It can change your life in profound ways. And there you have it, our 3 tips on how to transform your life into the perspective and the mindset of mindfulness. Now, I'd love to hear from you, by the way. So I'd like you to comment down below your thoughts, comments, or maybe some tips that you have you'd love to share with the community. Please do and drop them down below. And until next time, I want you to stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for success. See you soon.